Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem on your iPhone. So if your call failed, how you can fix it. So first thing you can try, just go to the settings. In the settings just open general, just open software update and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here download and install, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can just try to turn on airplane mode, so restore your carrier. So just turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also just try another way. So just try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And also you can try to put outside your SIM card and put inside again. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.